everyone, welcome back to another episode of Project Accounting. Today, we're talking about one of the most important foundations of accounting, the accounting equation. It's simple, powerful, and the secret behind every financial statement. At its core, the accounting equation shows how a business is balanced. Think of it like this: what the business owns must equal to what it owes plus the owner's equity. So let's break it down. Assets are what the business owns, like cash, equipment, or inventory. Liabilities are what the business owes to others, like loans or unpaid bills. While the owner's equity is what's left for the owner after debts are paid. So basically, everything the business owns was either borrowed or the liabilities or invested by the owner or the equity. So let's use a real life example. Imagine Maria starts a small bakery. So she puts 20,000 of her own money into the business. So the equation would look like this. Assets is equal to 20,000 cash, liabilities is 0, then equity is 20,000. So it balances because 20,000 is equal to 0 plus 20,000. Now, she borrows 10,000 from a friend to buy inventory. So assets is equal to 30,000 because cash plus inventory. Liabilities is now 10,000 while the owner's equity remains 20,000. So still balance, right? Because 30,000 is equal to 10,000 plus 20,000. So that's the beauty of the equation. It always balances. So why does this equation matter? It helps accountants record transactions correctly, it ensures financial reports are accurate, and it shows how healthy a business really is. So every time a transaction happens, like buying supplies, paying a bill, or earning income, the accounting equation must stay balanced. It's like the golden rule of accounting. So to recap, the accounting equation is assets is equal to liabilities plus owner's equity. It helps track where the business's money comes from, and it must stay balanced after every transaction. So if this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions or topic requests. Stay tuned for more project accounting episodes. See you in the next video.